I have a very important rule I live by. I don't mind being cold, I don't mind sleeping on the ground, and I don't mind being hungry. But I only do one of those things at a time. So tonight, I'm eating like a king. Add a little pepper, add a little salt, add some ground mustard, some brown sugar, and tomato paste. Beans are almost done, so I'm going to go ahead and make some bread. Take and wrap this bit of cheese, a little bit of bread dough with that Gouda inside. Cooking bread on the coals is really easy. Either you make a disc and you lay it straight on the coals and flip it, or you make a ball and you bury it into coals. All right, we're going to put that right on the coals. Yes, that is perfect. That little cheese-filled biscuit cooked in the ash right there. Oh, check out the melted Gouda in there. That is so good. Oh, those are good beans. It's got so much pork jowls in there and the brown sugar. These are good beans. That is good prime rib. That is good.